Hi, I'm going to show you how you can design a t-shirt using your mobile phone. This is straightforward and easy. Okay, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or Android store or your iOS store and download this app, OShirt. OShirt, that's the name of the app. Now once you download and install this app, you click to load the app and the app is loading. Allow it to load completely. Now once this is done, you have this this page opened up for you. Okay, you have design, you have explore, you have cart, you have account. Well, you don't have any business with all of this. All you need to do is just to go through these categories you have here. You have seasonal, events, business, featured. Okay, so I'm going to go with sport. You click on sport and you have a lot of options coming up for you to select from. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go with this. You click to select this option. Now you can edit this. Okay, you just hit the edit design option at the bottom of this app. You click on edit. It's fetching the design for you to work with. Okay, and this is loading. You allow it to load completely. As you can see, the imprint is on a shirt. So all you need to do is to double click or double tap this right up to edit it. Okay, so I'm going to double tap here and I'll change this to 45 and you say done, and automatically you have it changed. Okay, so I'm going to change this route. I'll also double tap. Okay, so I'm going to say solid. Okay, you can also change the font style. You can see it at the left hand side of the screen, bottom left. Click and you have a whole lot of font styles, so you can select a particular font style and allow it to take effect and you have it there. Wow, this is beautiful. So guys, it's very easy to design a shirt. So you can have your write-ups on it. You can decide to write something here. You can say best. Okay, I'll drag it down. You can reduce the size. Okay, you can reduce the size of this. You can actually move this around. Okay, you can move it around. Okay. Alright guys, this is coming up beautiful. Click outside of it. Okay guys, this shirt is ready, as you can see. So once you're done and you have what you want, you hit the done button here at the top right hand side of the screen, as you can see, and you say done. Okay, this will update and upload your design for you to either, you can hit the upload button at the top, the arrow facing upwards at the top right hand side of the screen, and you can either save to your device, you can save to files. Okay, and you can share on WhatsApp, email, alright, and a whole lot of applications that you can share this with. So guys, it is very easy for you to design a shirt yourself using your phone. Thank you guys for your time, and bye.